100. Okay, 100. How many hundreds is 100? Show me on your fingers. How many hundreds is that? Let me see those fingers. How many hundreds is 100? Thank you. 1. I only need one of these. Okay, 100 minus 99. 100 minus 99. Austin, what's 100 minus 99? Minus 99. 99 is how many less than 100? 1. So 100 minus 99, Austin, is 1. Good job. Now what operation do I need to do?
Addition.
Everyone.
Addition.
Okay, what is the first number I need to add? I like these hands. It means people are following along. I'm impressed. Autumn. 1. I put that here. Does everyone see where I put that number?
Yes.
Okay. What do I need to add to that 1? Alice.
What you need to add to that 1 is 200.
200. Good job, Alice. Okay, this is one of those mental math opportunities. 200 plus 1. If it seems really easy, it's because you know this very well. 200 plus 1. I like those. Titus, what is it?
It's 201.
201. Titus, was that easy?
Yeah.
201. So, 300 minus 99, everyone?
201.
201. Okay, let me give you a hint. For this, for what we're doing, let me just double check. We're always going to break it apart into 100 and whatever is left. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so this number is always going to be 100. Okay, so we're going to break apart the hundreds. We're going to get 322 and what here?
100.
100. Okay, as we go on into the problems, when you break it apart for this today, this number is always going to be 100. Do we understand?
Yes.
Okay, you'll see when we go further. Okay, we just went over this just now. I was just up at the board. You're going to break this apart. What number goes here, everyone?
100.
100. Okay, so if 100 goes here, how much goes here? What number is this? Chloe.
322.
322. Okay, then we bring this down, because we only needed 100 to subtract 98 from. What is 100 minus 98? I like all these hands. This table right here, the center table. Everyone at that table, what is 100 minus 98?
2.
2. Nice job. I knew they all knew because I saw their hands up. Okay, next operation is addition. We have 322 that we didn't do anything with that, right? After we broke it apart, we just left that alone. Okay, so we know that 322 goes there, plus this 2. Okay, can we do this in our head? 322 plus 2? You can just count forward. If you start at 322, count up 2, and we'll have the answer. Simon, what's 322 plus 2? 324. Thank you for reading that whole problem completely, Simon. Okay, so 422 minus 98 is, everyone?
324.
324. we correct that? How can we check it? I can think of a couple ways. I heard it right here. Was that you, Simon, who said it? Add. What would I add, Simon? To 98, and then I should get 422, right? Is there another way I can check it? That's probably the best way. Simon's way is adding. Okay, is there another way that might help? Samara? Kind of what we just did, right? Okay, similar to what we did. How do we check it? Is there another way to subtract these other than this way we just did? Aaliyah? How? Okay, or this way is a vertical. We can do it the way you guys learned it. The conventional way, the way you learned it, what people call it the normal way. Okay? We can just set it up like this. And see if we get the same answer. Okay. Obviously we'll get the same answer. Okay. So we can add like Simon said. Right, Simon? What? You did it the conventional way? This way? Or did you add? Added. Simon added and he checked it and he said our answer was right. Brooklyn. Then we would get 422. I think I see where you guys are going with this adding different types of addition. I think Brooklyn said it, and Samara kind of said it, is that you can go back and add in everything that you need to add. Okay, and that would work too. Okay, so I think that that's both of what you guys were saying. Okay, you haven't figured out exactly what all you had to add, but yes. Okay, moving forward. Okay, next page. What did I skip? Oh, thank you. You know what? I did skip it, and you know what? I like that people were polite about it. They just said, you skipped it. Okay, who can read that for me? I'd like to pick a stick. Just make it fair. You guys are good volunteering to read. Riley, can you read that? Briley.
In exercise 2, why is 2 added back?
What do we think? In exercise 2, this one. Why do you add this 2 back? Anybody? Take a chance. There's no wrong answer. We're doing this together. Chloe, why do you add the 2 back? This. Why do you add it in back here? This right here, right? Okay, Chloe's on the right track. Can we make that answer even better? We'll start with Chloe's. She gave you an idea. What can we add to that? How can we make that answer better? Brooklyn.
Any way that this 2 is added back is because of the numbers that you added with the 2.
Okay. How much was left after this subtraction? 100 minus 98. What's left? Everyone, I'm pointing to it. What's left? 2. 2 is left. Did I take that away?
No.
No, that's left. I took 97 away already. This is left. Correct? So what Chloe is saying is you have to add that too because you didn't take that away. That's what's left. Back to this number to see how much total you have left over. Okay, right, Chloe? Right, Titus?
Yep.
Okay, right. Do we understand a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now, though, we're not going to write that down. If you already did, then great. I'd like to get to the problems. I think we understand a little bit why you add it back in. Brooklyn. Good.
Why do adding and subtraction?
Why are you adding and subtraction? Well, we just talked about that one. That's a good question. That's what the book is asking. Why is the 2 added back in? Okay. We broke this up. We didn't need all these hundreds. Brooklyn. Brooklyn. We didn't need all these hundreds, right? We only needed 1 to subtract 98 from. Okay? So we were left with 2 from 100 minus 98, right?
Yeah.
Okay? So this 2, we have to add it back together to this 322 that had gotten broken apart. Does that make sense, Brooklyn? So there's our addition. We were left with 2. We didn't take that 2 away. So that 2 needs to go back with this part of the hundreds that we broke apart to get our answer. It's just a different way to do it. Okay. Page 415. Okay, I know it says on my own. Okay, but this is what I want you to do. Are we ready? I want you to do number 3 on your own. Okay, but I want you to stop. Do number 3 on your own and then stop. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Do number 3 on your own, then stop. Okay, go. What number is always going to go here? 100. It's not 240 because you took 100 away. Okay, and thumbs up when you're ready. It looks like a lot of people. Wow, that was fast. I'm impressed. Are these questions?
Yes. It says.
Hold on. Just relax. Okay. I said do number 3 and then stop. I know it says on my own, but if you were following directions, you should have done number 3 and then stop. Okay, I'll give you a chance. Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to turn to someone close to you. Okay? If you have someone next to you, great. He's going to go right here with you guys. Okay? Just for now. Just to check your answers. I want you to check your answer with your neighbor's answer. Okay, see if you got the same thing. If you didn't, or if your neighbor is confused, now's the opportunity to help them. Okay, Samar, can you just check your answer with theirs, please? That one. Check your answers with theirs. I'm sorry, Titus. I will come to you. Wait, you know what? They can help you. If you're not doing anything, my guess is you had the same answers, yes? Okay. T can help you. His answer is right.